This is the moment. Ito na to. Let's go hiking na ka. May namdang?
Yeah, national park. Yeah, but it's from here go to Pai, not far. It's on the way. You see, it's the tourists. They rent scooter from Chiang Mai. They drive it themselves.
Oh,
Yeah, they have a mini. Yeah, but it's dangerous. It's
Yes, yes.
the way is very curved. Yeah. Hoi Nam Dang National Park. Yeah.
Nam Tam National Park.
But different. It's Suthe Pui. Yeah. Because you go to the Mokwa waterfall. Yes, Suthe Pui National Park. Yeah, different.
Nilagyan niya kung pwede sa sapatos kasi nagod ang mga dos.
This one is Korean for cooking. Yeah.
Oh, Korean.
Yeah, Korean for the cooking. Yeah.
Kinain natin kanina.
Sige, mayroon nga siya nakita eh. Kaya siya tumigil eh.
O, diba?
Kaya nga siya tumigil eh.
You use spray already for mosquito. Okay.
Meron daw mga wild pigs dito.
Mua pa quang. You know quang?
Kuwang?
Quang.
Bat?
No, quang is deer.
Oh, dear.
Deer is a star deer. No big like a same size like a dog. Yeah.
Ah, okay.
They got around here. Yeah. Mua pa quang.
Mupa, kwang.
Kuwang.
Mupa, wild pig. Kwang,
Wild pig,
deer. Na, kasing laki daw ng dog. Grabe experience to.
Oh, much room.
Oo.
Much room. They got a smoke protect like a mosquito.
Ah, okay. Wow.
And then on the way, if you see like that, it's many som. You know som?
Som?
Som, yeah, som.
Som?
Like they
Orange?
like a ginger.
Yeah,
Ah,
The root
ginger.
is,
Okay.
yeah, beautiful.
Some orange.
Som.
Ano?
Thought it's orange.
Lah.
Ah!
Little keeper. Yeah, because they have the seed inside. Yeah.
Oh.
The big seed.
Right, big seed. For animal, not for keeper.
Yan pala nun.
Inside.
Yes. Kagubatan talaga kami. Sabi ko sa inyo. Gubat talaga to.
Nook. Nook is bird.
Nok.
Nook.
Bird. Nok. Ganda dito yung camera mo. Nakangat lang. Nakaangat lang. Camera 360.
It's not on the way.
They have dito daw maraming mga ahas pero wala daw sa dadaanan namin. King Cobra, Python. Uy! Katakot eh. Oh, tingnan nyo. Mukha ba di?
Right now, it's on the ground. It's wet. Yeah. The some snake they live in the hole. The hole from the tree. Yeah.
Okay.
Beautiful lah.
Yeah.
Much room.
Mm.
Cicada, the noisy one.
Huh?
Cicada,
We-
noisy.
Noisy. Too loud. Yeah. They call dog. Yeah. Dog. Yeah. Mean like they when they get a flower
Oh.
and then they get sick with the bamboo make the broom.
Oh,
Get the broom.
okay.
Yeah. Broom.
Release.
Yeah.
Release tambo.
First clean the house. First clean the house. Room. On. Step on like a deer.
Yeah.
With fern.
Cute.
Fern. Step
Guys,
on. Step on fern.
Horn.
Horn. Horn. House.
in the middle of nowhere, merong ganito. Grabe. Kaya pa. Takot guys. Ang lalaki ng langgam. Ganda. Wow. Let's go. Grabe oh. Look at this. Wow. Hello. Hello. Dito kami sa pinagstayan namin guys nung kami mag-sleep po. Our home. Guys, astig dito. Astig. Yan. Dami fish. Fish. Dami. Doon kami nakatira. Doon. Taas. Yung view. Grabe. Sobrang ganda dito guys. Ito yung tinatawag na ano. Talagang. Ito yung tinatawag na buhay province. Pero masaya. Grabe. Sobrang ganda dito. Kami nakatira. Doon kami magstay sa may. Ayun, doon. Ito. Yan. Hello. Oh, ganda ng kulay. Hi. Hello. Uy. Hello. Hi. Nanak. Sobrang simple living lang sila. Nakita kong ganda na nitong bahay na to.
Karen style Karen
Oh.
style ไม่ได้คุกเขาทำแบบเอ้ยเดี๋ยวก่อนนั่นสิอะไรอุ้ย no ไอ้ชิโนดูนั่งพูด
Oh.
แล้วได้ take a sit inside
Okay.
Chiesa mi cocco là.
คนละคนละ
Grabe to.
Quindi.
นั่นสิอะไร
Yung Saudi cook Karen tribe. Sa loob ng bahay sila. Tapos sila yun. Sa baba, tapos meron sa taas nila. Para isahan. Galing eh, no?
เป็นพี่น้องโดยแม่กาฟิวที่แยกกันที่ทน
Yun guys, yung mga bahay nila dito. Nakaangat. Laki! Hi! Wow! Hi! Oh!
อันนี้ฝนตกนอนไม่ได้
Oh!
มันเปียก
May diet cannot eat.
This one, they slide banana tree and then they make food for the pig.
Oh! They make food for the pig.
They make food for the pig. Yeah.
Oh!
And then they mix with the rice skin.
Rice,
With the
oh.
rice skin.
Oh, okay, rice skin. Yung palay.
Skin.
Galing, no?
No.
Grabe.
อันนี้เป็ด
Pet. Oo.
เป็ด
Hello. Grabe naman dito. Apaka ano nung lugar nila. May mga ganito. Ah, okay. Yung bahay nila nasa taas. Tapos yung mga alaga nila nilalagay nila sa ilalim. Yes, true. Galing. Angas dito. Cute dito. Grabe. Tingnan nyo guys. Tingnan nyo dito. Oh. Okay. Mga panggawa nila ng ano.
เป็ดเยอะแยะ
Pet yeye. Ay! Hi!
ไม่
Yung dog.
เป็ด
Yeye.
เป็ดเยอะแยะ
Ye. Ye. Pala. Hindi pala yuyu. Ye. Hmm.
วาย
Ay,
มีสี
oh!
ขาวสี
Yeah.
ขาวกับสีดำ
Hello.
This black color and white color.
Yeah.
Same Philippine, yeah?
Yeah.
Same Philippine.
We call them kalabaw. Kalabaw.
Oh, Carabao. Oh,
Yes.
Carabao. In Thai, they had the name for the music, the brand.
Kalabaw.
Carabao.
Ah. Yeah.
Dragon fruit lah.
Oh.
Montok.
This one is made for yun ginagawa nilang tobacco. Galing.
This one is the view, new house.
Oh.
New house. ห้องน้ำ
ห้องน้ำ
ห้องน้ำห้องครัว
อืม
อันนี้เป็นล็อบบี้ไว้ขายของ
อ๋อขายของ ว้าว Grabe. Galing.
Ito, kita siya po dito mo yan.
Saya. Baka dito ng ganito.
Ano yung som-o?
Som. Oh.
Pomelo.
Pomelo. Ani? Tay pa sa tay?
Ha? Som-o.
Som. Oh. Som. Yung pala yung pomelo in tay. Som. Som. Oh. Okay, I forgot. Amot shopper. Amot shopper.
Oh,บอกเอาครับอันนี้มีกี่เพื่อตบรึอันนี้เนี่ยไป they go to the farmer carry some food something there.
Mga box nila na ano. Grabe, ang cute dito. Angas. Wow, ito pala talaga yung Karen tribe, guys.
They put the crab.
Yung mga may mahabang neck daw ay
ม้าตัวใหญ่
mga mahabang neck daw ay for promotion lang siya. Hindi talaga siya yung ano. Grabe. Oo, hindi na sila nakikita. Oo, nasa border na sila ng
กล้วยกิน
building.
กล้วยกินนี่สองลูกคนละลูก
Wow, tebra. Thank you. Diba? Naglakad lang kami, may free kami banana. Ganon dito, guys. Di nyo yun alam. Ha? Tebra. Libre. Banana.
Hindi talaga natin.
Kain. Tebra. Open mo nga. I-open mo. Ito gusto ko.
Ito na.
Ba't ganun? Ba't iba?
Diba?
Tebra. Tebra. Stay, thank you. Tebra. Ito yung ayaw ko na saging sa atin. Pero,
Masarap dito.
ang kami dito. Yung sa atin kasi parang madikit. Anong tawag na madagta? Parang ganun. Pero ito hindi. Kluway.
Para maisukal na
Kluway. Thai. Tinawag kami dito. Dito kami, pasok kami. Pwede pumasok sa ba? Up. Guys, uy! Wow!
นี่เวลาเขาทอผ้าเขาทำแบบนี้
Wow!
เนี่ยทอผ้า
Pwede ka. Amod shopper.
เอานั่งก่อน
Wow, ito yung ginagawa nilang damit. Hello.
This costume
Yeah, oh, yeah.
เดี๋ยวนั่งลงก่อน Take a seat
Okay.
Take a seat
They're cooking, guys.
ข้าว
Wow, chai. Ano, corn. Ganito sila, guys. Sa loob ng bahay. Ano yung bubong nila, oh. Pero ito medyo exposed. Yung kanina talagang pinuntahan namin. Yung kanina pinuntahan namin sa loob ng bahay talaga. Guys, mukbang.
ไอ้มันเอายา
Wow. Mukbang. Lon. Lon, mak.
มันจะหายเรื่องนั้นบ้านนะคะเรื่องเส้นประสาทอะไรเรื่องผมยังฮะ
Init.
อะไรทำให้
Grabe. Guys, sobrang init.
Gabi sobrang init kalahati ko ng akin.
อันนี้ปลูกเอง is organic ไม่ได้ใส่ปุ๋ย
Oh!
ปลูกอะไร
Look. Shide! Balasa na? Guys, di balasa. Tumutulo lang. Guys, hindi siya matigas. Hindi siya matigas. Ang sarap nito. Pinapasok na kami sa bahay, pinakain pa kami. Oh, mukbang pala to. Hindi nyo ko na. Tapos, pag uwi namin dun, kakain na kami dinner. Anak ng teteng talaga naman. Walang ginawa kundi kumain. Kain ng kain.
เป็นเพื่อนไม่เหมือนแบงคอก everything money
Ah,
but here
yeah.
is a
Oh,
friendly
okay. Oh. Dito daw so friendly. Lahat ng tao, pag pinapasok mo talaga, bibigyan ka nila ng pagkain. Hindi daw katulad sa Bangkok. Lahat daw doon pera.
Bayad.
May bayad. Dito, ikaw pa bibigyan. Ganon. Ganon na.
อันนี้เขาช่วยกันเวลาฝรั่ง ทัวริสอุบิเหตุโอ้ช่วยบัตรอีเสกถ้ากรุงเทพคอแอมบูเลนซ์มันนี่
Oh, yeah. Dito daw kapag ka may mga foreigner, kunyari na disgrasya or what, lahat ng tao willing to help. Pero pag daw sa mismong Bangkok daw, kapag ka daw tumawag man lang ng ambulansya, babayaran mo pa. Ganon, yun yung sabi ni Kuya. Diba? Taray. Oo nga, bagay. Kasi malayo to sa civilization. May bike ko. Hinapon. Nagulat nga kami, may nakita kami washing.
อันนี้ยากันยุงยากันยุง
Iyakan
โปรเทคซิมอสกิโต
Oh, yeah.
อันนี้
Ano
ทำ
daw dyan?
อันนี้ทำยากันยุง
Citronella. Oh. Yeah, citronella. Citronella. Mosquito repellent, no?
โอ้แมว
Meow. Meow. Mm.
Không biết giờ đâu. Cái nó không lắm. Tính Mỹ.
Amon, tip.
Ôm muốn chưa?
Forgot. Forgot.
Đấy. Ấy bây giờ.
Mèo.
Mèo.
Mm. Ito po eh, oh.
À, cày.
Kai,
Cày.
oh.
Cày này lâu. Chicken in the box. Cày này lâu. Yeah. Anh ấy new generation, new house.
Ah, okay.
Modern.
Modern, yeah.
Modern.
They made it here. Oh, yeah. Oh. Tini, you have Kai, Mo, Pla.
Dùng cả.
Ay, okay, it's okay. Ikot kami. Walking around the... Ito. Ano naman itong lugar na ito?
Green tea.
Grabe, sobrang ganda dito, guys.
This is green tea. This one for the export. Yeah.
อ่า
เอาไปขาย
โอ้
ตัดเอาไปขาย ทำชาเขียว ชาเขียว
Sakyo. Ganun pala itsura ng tea, friend.
But it's a black tea. They take the olive. Yeah.
Old,
But yeah, olive. Yeah, it's young leaf. They
for
call it-
cha dam.
Cha dam.
Old leaf. Yeah, dried. Siya may? Dried.
Dry.
Mm. Ganda, guys. Grabe. Ganda dito. Kaya lang wala kaming shades.
Ano ulit yung maganda sa kanila?
Ngam, tete.
Tete.
Wow.
ข้าว 1 ปี ปลูก 1 ครั้ง
Isang beses lang sa isang taon kasi hindi sila nakakapag masyado kasi wala daw tubig dito, kulang yung tubig. O kasi sobrang bundok na, guys. Actually, di ko nga kanina tinuro ni kuya sa amin yung kung paano sila kumukuha ng tubig. May mga tubo. Angas na eh. Sobrang taas na nito. Parang hindi ko alam kung paano yung mga tao dito actually. Pero meron din naman daw ibang way na kaya yung motor tsaka kotse. Pero yung dinaanan kasi namin pang tao lang talaga siya. Sobrang cool, guys. Nakakatakot pero sobrang fun. Tired but happy. Ganon. Muntik pa nga ako madilit eh. Kaka-vlog ko eh. Para sa inyo yun syempre. Para ma-enjoy nyo, diba? Masama ko kayo sa trip na ginawa ko. Hindi, ganun ko kayo. Kalab kayo, nood kayo vlog. Okay? Later ulit. Bababa kami. Baka madilit ako eh.
Put some flower. Stuff.
Passion flower.
Yeah, and then they have the fruit like that.
Ito, passion flower. Grabe. Angas. Diba? Wala ka nang hahanapin dito. Kaya pala ang dami din nakatira dito kasi hindi na wala akong bumaba.
Ha?
For Valentine ka. Talagang for Valentine daw. Dokla.
Oh, กาแฟ สวยมาก
Oh.
ลูกเยอะ
Yeah.
กาแฟ is กาแฟ สุกแล้ว กาแฟดิบ เขาขายกิโลละ 30 30 บาท for per kilo
Wow.
it keep dry already 70 baht for per
Oh
kilo
yeah. Oh,
or
nice.
150
Grabe. 30 baht lang siya per kilo kapag ganyan. Pero pagka naluto na, 70. Pero still, magkano binibenta yun?
Isang
diba?
kilo.
Oo, wow. Hi! Yun o, guys. May kasamang manok.
Si... Magsabi ng hi sa mga...
Lumutang. Dragon fruit. Ganito pala yung tsura niyan. Hindi ko alam to eh. Hindi ko
Ayun,
alam
natutubo nga siya. Nakita mo yung bunga.
Dragon. Dragon fruit tree. Ganyan pala yung tsura niya.
every house they are Catholic they have the cross
Oh, okay.
it's like oh there church
Church, wow. No, Ito yung Catholic Church nila dito. Sobrang nakaka-happy. Okay.
ขี้ไก่ขี้ไก่อะไรนะนะ
Wow!
อืม
Uy, so...
ถ้าแต่งงานก็มาทำที่ดีพิธีที่นี่ แต่งงาน when you get married you can come
Oh,
to-
yeah.
Be careful ดากาชิคเก้นขี้ไก่
Nakakatawa, nakapasok kami sa loob. Ganda yung itsura ng simbahan nila dito. So guys, dito pala sa Karen tribe, dito sa village nila, supported ng government yung solar nila. Siyempre para magkaroon sila ng kuryente, pero
อันนี้ยุ้งข้าวซีโลไซโล
Silo.
ไซโล to keep the right
Yeah.
keep the right
Rice. This keep.
Oh, dito nila nilalagay yung mga rice na inaani nila. Ano dito, wala ka makikitang ref. Meron silang mga yung mga madadali lang yung mga rice cooker, yun lang nakikita ko, pero ref wala ko nakikita dito. Parang kapakahirap.
Di kaya.
Oh, di kakayanin ng solar. Lalo na kapag nagluluto gamit bamboo, ay yung fire. Oh. Pagkalagay ng lagay dyan, nangingiilang ka dyan. Ito yung gamit ng bamboo. Ay yung fish.
and then they put in the bamboo
Oh.
and then they cook by bamboo but when they cook by bamboo they put a liter for the water not much because inside bamboo they have the water come in there
Oh, yeah.
หอม smell
Yeah, I do. ทำไหมลองไหมเอาตาม
Yan, sige magtrabaho ka. Tama yan, ganyan dapat. Mahirap. Me! Me! Sarap, masaya. Ako din. Ako din. Ako din.
อยู่บ้านทำกับข้าวไหม
Ha?
ทำอ๋อแรงนั่นแหละ
เข้าตานะ
ระวังเข้าตา
Do you call this? Honey?
ฮะ
What's this?
paste
Paste? Chili paste?
ใช่พริก
Prik.
น้ำพริก
Nam prik.
พริกพริก
Saya. Tingnan mo daw. Tingnan mo naman to. Oh. Oh.
wala ka ng battery
Ay. Hapon ka siya. Hap. Bigat pa lang.
ได้แล้วกันเอาลง
Oh. Oh, cool.
ใช่ป่ะที่เราเป็นเรามาดีแล้ว
Dito ginataan.
Gawin na di lo. Dati lo rin niya.
พอทาเรื่อง
Crop po ba na? Wala ko lang.
เดี๋ยวเราก็
Sabi ko magtatat.
Ni tamngan.
Ha?
Tamngan. Cook.
Ha. Oh, lo.
Tay.
Oh. Tama. Lo. เป็นคุกเนาะ
Say.
ค่ะทำงานโรงแรมโรงงานอ๋อ
Chef.
เชฟ
Say. Mi. Kin.
เทียบเลยสิเชฟ
Say. Ani may mi. May siya na. Bodhisat. Nuong. Steak. Nuong.
ดีแล้วดี
Nuong.
นัว
Nuwa.
นัว
Nuwa. Ah, say.
บริษัทคอมพานี
บริษัทนัว
Yeah, I sell steak. Beef.
มาเรียนอ๋อสเต็ก
Oh, steak. Say. Oh.
เอาหมอท้องเนี่ยฮัลโหลมาตัวละพิมาคุลาจ้ะ
Hello.
มันสุดยอดละ
Kisha. Wadika. Hi.
เอ๊ะป้าป้าก็บอกได้เหรอแต่มาป้าป้า
Hello.
เดี๋ยว
Uy. Gusto niya.
Laki.
Shisha. Hiya siya.
Ate mo. Just moment more.
Okay,
More
okay.
is too.
You're gonna put the ginger leaf
Yeah.
on top of this bago siya lutuin. Wow.
They make very smell
Yeah.
good. Baka pag ikaw nagganto,
Eh,
manghuli pa si Kuya ulit ng isda. Baka pahulihin pa si Kuya ulit ng isda.
Our dinner.
yes. Ayan, sa loob. Ni. Wow. Tulak kita. Yun.
Okay.
Okay, cup. Dami namin pagkain, guys. Hindi pala dito. Puro kain. Puro kain. First bite. Pa-charge ko muna yung phone ko kasi wala ko ng battery. Mamaya na lang.